Hey everyone, day 73, Nibbles here on trail. We are hiking from Caledonia State Park to hopefully Pine Grove Furnace State Park or something. Last night, after hanging out in the bathroom for, how long was it? Like an hour and a half or something? Yeah. It's like really long. The storm finally let up enough where we could exit the bathroom and go set up camp. It was probably around 11 o'clock that we were able to actually go and get a formal campsite. So it's just a really long day. We just thought we'd be asleep and dreaming of sheeps and stuff like that. And instead we were setting up camp in the rain. And then as soon as we got the tent set up, it started like another storm with like lightning and thunder that sounded about 6 inches from our faces. But we lived. Here we are. Yeah, it was nice to wake up this morning and take showers. Use flushing toilets. Brush, floss your teeth, use mouthwash, just the whole 9 yards. A little treat yourself time. And nobody was in those bathrooms at all. So they're really nice facilities. Just wish it was easier to tell, where to be for camping. Anyway, today we've already gone about 10 miles and they were calling for a lot of rain this morning again for like later this afternoon. Seems like that's kind of cleared up, and now I think it's like 30% chance. We'll see. One thing we know out here is we can't really rely on weather reports because, oh dear, it was a deer, because they're always wrong. And if we kind of always planned our days around weather, we'd be calling it a day around noon 40% of the time. So anyway, we're hoping, today will be an exciting day. There are a few things, milestones that should happen. So milestone number 1, which we can't seem to find anything in the ground, would be to celebrate 1,096 miles. Now we've already gone 0.4 past because we thought there might be a celebration. Anyway, it's the halfway point, mile-wise. So Harper's Ferry was the spiritual halfway point. This one, the physical halfway point. Is there a party here? Bubble popping?
No.
Blowing bubbles? Bubble gum?
Nope.
Nothing. No bubbles anywhere.
Nope, just trail.
No sign. There was a sign for the 2018.
Yeah, the 2018 class, they put up a sign with the mailbox. Good for them. What else you got there, Nibbles?
Cut. Milestone number 2 for today. 1,100 miles. Less than 1,100 to go.
Wow.
What do you think about that?
Amazing. I feel like I walked 1,100 miles.
Yeah, some days it feels like more, some days it feels like less.
Some days you're the bug, other days you're the windshield. Isn't that right, Nibbles?
And sometimes you're just walking.
Mm-hmm.
With the bug in your ear.
Mm-hmm. Cheers to 1,100.
Mazel tov.
Look how pretty this water is. It's like crystal stinking clear. And then it comes out of this forest of beautiful ferns. The bugs around here are hellacious. More treats at 1,100 miles, right? We're at the Pine Grove General Store. I just got hammered. I'm actually so wet that I can't even tell that I've got this shirt on. But we just, the last 2 miles, we just got friggin' hit hard with a huge hailstorm too. Anyway, we're gonna get some ice cream and we'll throw that on here in a second.
Milestone 3 will be seeing if Radar can crush this.
Half-gallon of ice cream.
This is a 1.5 quart of
Yeah,
ice cream of the Hershey's strawberry cheesecake. So if you can finish that, then we'll get him another pint. And that will complete the half-gallon challenge, which is a thing at Pine Grove Furnace General Store in celebration of finishing half the trail.
Half of the trail.
And
Oh, this is really good.
there he goes.
It's like
What time is it?
5:47.
The time is 5:47. We'll check in later. Very happy so far. I got myself just the pint size, so I'll see how it goes.
Man, that's how it makes a person with a headache work to get pure.
Right there's a little flat.
Yeah,
I'd try that.
I just do. Great. Wow, food.
That works. It's viewer appreciation weekend, and we have Lindsay here.
What a bit of 10 YouTube followers.
Yeah,
I came one out just to meet them.
yeah. If you could have seen us for anything, it's the half-gallon challenge, and she did show up. I invited all of our viewers to see this, and she was the only one to come around, which is awesome.
I never miss an ice cream challenge.
Yeah, I've got my hat on and all my winter gear because I'm like frozen and I can hardly talk.
I have to be like put the heat on in the car. Because Ohio, like our neighborhood's
One's
like
done.
not like Baltimore sketch.
And then this is to finish up the half-gallon because it's a pint,
like
1.5 quarts,
Huh.
1 pint.
So,
And
Dunzo.
yeah, Dunzo, half-gallon. All right.
Plus,
That's because we
so that's the 1.5 quart Dunzo.
very delicious strawberry
Plus
cheesecake.
the extra pint.
And then the extra pint was chocolate chip cookie dough.
Hershey's
and
local, PA.
How many times have you vomited yet?
none, but
What?
I'm very cold. And yeah, so we hit mile 1100 today, and then we finished half of the trail today. So we're on the downhill swing of the AT, which is amazing. And our biggest fan came out. Always good to have our biggest fan right now. Yeah.
I just jog alongside
Yeah.
them and cheer.
She's a
know about
watcher.
me.
She's a viewer, just like
Yeah.
you.
Trail magic.
All right.
All right, thanks for watching,
Thanks,
everyone.
bye.
Now go get your spoon.
All right. What do I do? Sit here. And there I am in the log. Radar, strawberry cream cheese, chocolate chip, cookie dough. 1 hour and 5 minutes. Bolt. Never hated himself so much.